Hello, Portland renters. This is 15600 Southwest Village Court in Beaverton, 97007. It is a 1,700 square foot home that is available at the end of August. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it is $22.49 for the rent. You do have a 2-car garage, which we'll see when we get inside. Beautiful landscaping out front that is maintained by the HOA. You also have water fountain there, looking out from the kitchen. So you come into the kitchen area, beautiful white tiling, lots of cabinetry. A dining room with the laundry room attached. The laundry room does have a washer and dryer hookups, so you will have to provide your own washer and dryer, but you do have a little washing basin there as well, and lots of cabinetry up top. As I mentioned, it is a 2-car garage, so lots of space in here. There's that door that goes to the backyard as well. Into the living room. Do have a fireplace. Wood burning fireplace. And the 3 bedrooms, we'll go into the first of the 2. Faces out towards the driveway. It does have a nice closet, double door closet. In between the bedrooms, you do have a huge coat closet, linen closet combo. Second bedroom, much the same as the first, does have the closet as well. A little bit smaller closet in here than the other one. This faces out the opposite direction. One of the bathrooms, beautiful repurposed tiling. And a master bedroom and bathroom. This one does have heated floors. It also has a lot of shelving. Huge closets, double closets in the bedroom here. Other closets. Goes all the way through. So lots of room in there. Master bedroom does have its own entrance to the backyard. Speaking of the bedroom, backyard, we'll head out there right now. Beautiful backyard area. does have two entrances to the front on each side of the house as well. Another water feature in the back. And that's the entrance to the garage. So again, this is 15600 Southwest Village Court in Beaverton, 97007. It's a 1,700 square foot home that's available the end of August. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is $2249 for the rent. You can visit us at rentportlandhomes.com. Give us a call. Send us an email if you have any questions. This property also does allow a small dog or cat. It also does have air conditioning, so it'll be able to stay nice and cool during the summer months.